Okay, today I want to talk about why statistics because we're jumping into our new section on statistics. And I always like to think of the big picture. Why does it matter? Why do you care as a student? I care because I love math and I can do any kind of fun thing that's math related and it'd be a good time. Okay, let's get started. Statistics matter to the average person because they empower informed decision making in everyday life. First, I should acknowledge that many of these are written with Chat GPT because I didn't want to spend the time to write the whole paragraph myself, and so I asked Chat GPT to make a sentence for make a paragraph for me. So, if some of it sounds that this one is the first one that sounds not all of my paragraphs are written by Chat GPT, but if this one sounds um, a little I don't know. I'm feeling self-conscious about it. Okay. From interpreting health risks and evaluating financial options to understanding the political polls and societal trends, statistical thinking helps people critically assess the information they encounter. I want to point out that we do have a 102 course that's a real statistics course. So the work that we're doing here is really very brief, very low level. We do some descriptive statistics. We make some graphs. We talk about sampling and getting information. But, you know, it's especially in an online course, it's not easy to get a lot of practice with that. Without a basic grasp of statistics, individuals may be misled by cherry picked data, manipulated visualizations, or misunderstandings of probability. And this is where I think that there is real value in statistics. I'm not sure how good of a job we're doing in the way we're teaching to address those things, but I think it is really, really important because our sources of information have become democratized, by which I mean that social media allows everybody to pick up their phone and say, here is information that may be important to you about a certain topic. So there's no gatekeepers for who gets to share information and opinions and data to back up their opinions. And so you being a consumer of information and a thoughtful consumer is really more important than it ever has been, I think. For instance, knowing how to interpret a study's results can help a person weigh the effectiveness of a new medication policy. By understanding statistics, people can make smarter choices, advocate for their interests, and engage more meaningfully in conversations about the issues that shape their lives. It sounds amazing. And I don't know, again, in 3 weeks, what we're going to accomplish in terms of those larger goals, but that's ChatGPT's response to why does statistics matter to the average person. And I'm curious in the reflection, trying to see if you connected with anything from this paragraph and any of the contexts that sort of stand out to you, whether you have any personal connection already with thinking about where statistics show up. Okay, see you.